If is a DAX function that is used in order to perform conditional calculations. If accepts three arguments, one condition, and then the two branches, the then branch and the else branch. If evaluates the condition, and if it is true, it returns the then branch, otherwise it returns the else branch. Let's see some example of its usage. Here I'm using getColumns, iterate over the brands, and I return first the sales amount, and then in sales number 2, I compute again the sales amount, and I use the if function. If the sales amount is greater than 3 millions, I return 3 millions in the then branch. Otherwise, I return the value of the sales amount. Therefore, sales number 2 will never exceed 3 millions. You can see the result here. For A datum, the value is the same as the sales amount, but for AdventureWorks, it tops at 3 millions. It is the same as computing the minimum between sales amount and 3 millions. The else branch is optional. You are not required to specify it. If you do not provide an else branch, as I'm doing here in this if statement that contains the then branch but no else, then the result is a blank by default. Indeed, you see that it shows either 3 millions or blank if the value is less than 3 millions. There are a couple of important notes about if. The first one is that the two branches might have a different data type. And in that case, if converts its result to a variant. You see that I'm using here the same calculation, but in the then branch I return 3 millions, and in the else branch I return a string less than 3 millions, so a number or a string. And the result is a string or a number depending on the condition. Finally, if has a limitation. You cannot use if to return tables. The result of if needs to be a scalar value. If you look at this code, I'm saving some variables, and then the if, depending on the condition, returns either dates_atd or values. Both dates_atd and values, they are tables. If will try to convert those tables into scalar values in order to compute a result. It fails, and therefore the result is an error. You can use if to return scalars. You cannot use if to return different tables.